Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming updates and basic connectivity. Open Windows Update and install any pending patches. Once done, reboot. Make sure your Bluetooth device is charged above 50% and sits within 3 to 10 feet of the PC. Next, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, remove the device, and repair it. This resets the link and often clears codec negotiation issues. Doing these steps first removes the low-hanging causes of delay so you can focus on deeper fixes. Once repaired, you tackle drivers and audio configuration. Open Device Manager and update both Bluetooth controller and audio drivers. If delay started after an update, try a rollback. Next, go to Sound Settings, select your Bluetooth device, and set the default format to 16-bit and 44. 1 or 48 kHz to match the headset. Mismatched sample rates cause buffering. Also disable audio enhancements and turn off exclusive mode so apps cannot monopolize the stream. These changes reduce processing latency significantly. You finish by optimizing codec and checking interference. If your headset and adapter support aptX or LDAC, force that codec via the device vendor app or Bluetooth adapter settings. Higher throughput codecs lower delay. Next, temporarily disable 4 GHz Wi-Fi or move away from crowded networks. Bluetooth shares that band and interference adds latency. Restart Windows audio and Bluetooth services, then test. If delay remains, try the headset with another PC or phone to isolate whether the headset, adapter, or Windows is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.